Alright, there's a fucking bird in the house. Oh shit. I don't know what to do. Alright. He's going fucking batshit crazy. Buddy, stop. Freaking him out more. Alright. Stop! Stop! He's fucking... How am I supposed to save you? How am I supposed to save... What the fuck? Stay there. Buddy, you're not making things any easier. Stop! I don't know what to do, Bird. Bird! You're going crazy. Buddy, come on. You're making this too hard. Come on. Come on. Hey! Dude, this bird doesn't know what the fuck's going on. I don't know what's going on. Buddy, he's not back there. Alright, I know he's in here. I'm afraid. Bird! Bird! Please don't be in the bathroom. 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 Bird! No! Bird! Bird! Yeah, I don't know where the fuck the bird went. Bird! Where the fuck could that bird have gone? What the fuck is going on? Bird? Where the bird went? Is in the bathroom? Oh. Shut up! Where's the fucking bird go? Oh, there he is! There he is! Ow! Quit stepping on me! Buddy! He's scared. Buddy! I'm gonna save you, bird! Can you guys get out of here? Hey! Come on! Look what you're doing! Come on! Look what you're doing! Come on! You're tearing shit up! Look what you're doing! Look what you did! Listen, you need to go. Come on, let's go. You're making this a real pain in the ass. Listen, I don't know what to do with this bird, but I gotta stop filming because it's too hard to not film. It's too hard already.